Welcome to Color Champ. Today I am drawing a beautiful house with tree and car. Let's draw and color them together. First I am drawing a roof of the house.
The itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the itsy bitsy spider went up the spout again. The itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spout.
Let's draw a tree.
Came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the itsy bitsy spider went up the spout again.
Let's draw the sun.
The itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the itsy bitsy spider went up the spout again.
Let's draw a car. Let's color roof with red. Purple. Let's color house with blue. Yellow. Let's color door with pink. Green. Red. Purple. Green. Pink. Let's color sun with yellow. Let's color car with red.